This illustration deals with circuits containing power conversion equipment in compliance with NEC 430.130A, exception to 1, table 430.52 is also included here that you need to reference. Now, the purpose of change is a new exception has been accepted. A new exception has been added to clarify that technology is capable of providing output conductor, short circuit, and ground fault protection. UL 61800-5-1 has been updated to allow power conversion equipment to be marked for protecting its output conductors and individual motor installation. This change permits the use of power conversion equipment to decouple the output conductor sizing from the branch protective circuit device sizing. So first of all, let's take a look at this drive. You see the input is 65 amps. The drive is provided with total protection as outlined in 430.130A. Now look at the arrow to the right in the call out there. Drive typically consists of an adjustable speed drive and accessories per 130 or per 430.130A, exception to 1, and informational notes in 1 and 2. So we're reviewing this section to understand what's required. Now, second, look at the arrow at the bottom of the drive and notice that equipment is capable of adjusting the speed of a load motor per Article 430, Part 10. So it can, allow the motor to start and run with its high inrush current and then naturally accelerate on into its running position. And then notice the overcurrent device here happens to be 150 amp, and we're rounding down to that size. But now let's review the calculation in finding the overcurrent device with the boxed in information with step 1, step 2, and solution. So step 1, finding the amperage rating. So we would address the section 430.130A exception to 1 and its current input current rating, 65 amps, that we see here in the illustration. So 430.130A, an exception to 1, and table 430.52, we would go to that table and select the 250% times the 65 amp. We come up with 162.5, and we round it down to 150. So the size of the overcurrent device is 150, as you see here at the panel board, where we have a 150 amp round down size that we would review there. And then, of course, the motor itself, when you see the motor, we go to 430.130A, informational notes 1 and 2, and they would give us more information on that motor. So this kind of highlights why this new exception was accepted and added.